Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we discuss practical ways to make money with ChatGPT. In this video, we'll explore different methods to monetize your ChatGPT skills and generate income. 1. Content creation. One popular way to make money with ChatGPT is through content creation. You can use your language generation abilities to write engaging articles, blog posts, and social media content. By offering your writing services as a freelancer or starting your own content creation business, you can attract clients and earn money. 2. Virtual assistant. Another opportunity is to become a virtual assistant. Many individuals and businesses require assistance with tasks like email management, scheduling, and research. As a ChatGPT expert, you can provide virtual assistant services, helping clients with their administrative needs and earning an income. 3. Language tutoring. If you have a passion for languages, you can offer language tutoring services using your ChatGPT skills. Whether it's teaching individuals to improve their language skills or helping them learn a new language, your expertise can be valuable. Conduct tutoring sessions through video calls or chat platforms and charge a fee for your services. 4. Chatbot development. Chatbots are in high demand for websites and customer support systems. You can leverage ChatGPT to develop AI-powered chatbot solutions. Businesses are willing to pay for chatbot development services that enhance customer experience and streamline their operations. 5. AI consulting. As an AI language model expert, you can provide AI consulting services to individuals or organizations. Share your knowledge and guide them on integrating AI into their projects or processes. Help clients understand the potential of AI and provide strategic advice on implementation, earning income through your expertise. 6. Research and writing. Utilize your ChatGPT skills for research and writing services. Researchers, authors, and journalists often require assistance with gathering information and generating written content. Offer your support by conducting research on specific topics or providing initial drafts, and charge a fee for your services. Remember to maintain transparency, adhere to ethical guidelines, and respect privacy concerns when offering your services as a ChatGPT expert. Conclusion. These were some practical ways to make money with ChatGPT. Whether it's content creation, virtual assistants, language tutoring, chatbot development, AI consulting, or research and writing, you have several avenues to explore. Utilize your ChatGPT skills, market your services, and turn your expertise into a source of income. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your journey to monetizing ChatGPT.